Now you can't take a blue pearl, mix it with a red pearl, and get a blue to red color shift. You can't take an orange pearl and mix it with a black pearl and then get an orange to black HyperShift. But what we're going to do today is attempt to take a silver pearl and mix that with different HyperShift pearls to try to create a silver to colors HyperShift. Gabe, thoughts?
I hope it works.
Me too. Let me walk through the plan with you. Something like carbon silver might be a little bit too large of a particle size, a little bit too sparkly to get the blending that we need with the other HyperShifts. So we're going to go Hyper Silver and ZTZ. The reason why Gabe picked ZTZ, which was really smart, is it already has like a silver pewter kind of color in it naturally, so we're hoping that'll just kind of amplify that. So this is a very high probability one. Then we have ZTN. We're going to do 2 color powder HyperShifts, 2 interference HyperShifts. ZTN, we picked that because it's one of the most saturated color powder HyperShifts we have, and the green and the pink in here might actually be strong enough to not be washed out by the Hyper Silver. Now, for the interference style HyperShifts, we're going with ZGA because, again, this is our most saturated interference HyperShift, blue and green. And then ZGT, because it's just kind of an oddball, super, super small particle, and it's got a whole bunch of different colors in it. So out of these 4, we may be able to create a silver to colors HyperShift. If you had to pick one of these 4, do you think the ZTZ is the highest probability?
I would think so.
Honestly, if I had to pick, ZGA blue, green to silver would be freaking awesome.
Yeah, and we have no idea what an interference is going to do with this.
Gabe and I have a ton of work to do. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I didn't expect this to work very well. I thought it would be a fun experiment to do and we'd have some goofy end results to share at the end, but it might have worked a little bit better than I expected. So here's what I'd love for you to do. Take a good look at each sample here, leave a comment below, and let me know if you think we were successful, and if so, which one was your favorite. Now, if you want to play with any of our paints, we've got hundreds of colors in both peelable and permanent, and kits that include everything you need to get the job done. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast doing this video. I really hope you enjoyed the experiment. I'll see you on the next one.
Mm-hmm.